we know nga na mataas ang prevalence ng asthma, mataas ang prevalence ng COPD, mataas ang prevalence ng lung cancer. So, how important ang pagsasama-sama between the government, the private sector, and the organizations, the doctors' organizations in promoting lung cancer to more Filipinos?
Yes. So definitely it is a multidisciplinary approach, no. It does not take one entity, no, to promote and push and improve lung health, no. It takes an army. And that army includes the private and the public sector. So of course in the private sector, we as an industry, no, the pharma industry, we bring in the innovation, the new medicines, the new treatment, no, to help patients improve with those specific diseases. But of course, it also takes the healthcare professionals to diagnose, to screen, and to treat these patients. It also takes the voice of the patients, no, to represent the ones who really would benefit, no, from the treatment. And at the end of the day, it's not just the private sector, but the government, because the government's resources is much broader and bigger, no, versus the private sector, and their scope is really national in scale, no. So putting all these things together, our hope is to really again, no, improve, no, outcomes for overall lung health in the country.
Paano po natin ma-reinforce yung lung health among the public? Kasi hindi naman kasi lahat may very much knowledgeable about lung health. I mean, yung iba nakakalimutan nila na meron na pa silang issue sa baga nila. Tugma mo kayo na po.
Well, like what I said a while ago, no, it's not just knowledge, it's behavior change. And behavior is very difficult to address kasi it has a lot of factors that goes into it. So, people who are going to work in motivating people to change behavior requires a lot of skills. And so, we need the help of everyone. But even if you change the behavior, if the setting doesn't change, diba? So, kung minsan, it can cause frustration. That's why it has to be collaborative work. It has to be the work of the government also responding to what the patients are in need of, what the doctors are asking for. So, yun eh. And a summit is like a mini collaborative work. No? So, yun, we just need to get our act together.
Advice na lang po or siguro paalala na lang po kasi ilang beses tayo nagpapaalala na alagaan ang ating baga pero of course hindi naman parang it's always a broken record sa plaka na tayo nagsasabi na alagaan ng baga, alagaan ng ganito, wag tayo magsiguro. Siguro advice na lang po sa mga Pilipino how to better take care of their lungs.
Kung mag-a-advise ako, hindi siguro maganda yung mga masyadong generic. Dapat diretso. Ano ba talaga yung mensahe na gusto nating iparating sa mga Pilipino na ang sigarilyo masama. Kahit na may lisensya yan, masama talaga siya, nakakasira siya ng ng baga, ng kalusugan. Yung produkto ng research, idiretso. Pag yung mga ginagawa natin na pagsira ng ng environment natin, hindi maganda yon. Parang the information that should be out there hindi generic. Talagang specific. Ako, I'm not in favor of vaping, although, di ba, mga researchers are syempre yung mga industries are saying it's tawag nila parang pampalit, no?
Pampalit
sa
Still
smoking.
smoking.
It is still smoking, and some researchers are already showing that. Pero yun nga may mga interests na kailangan kalabanin. And these are the things that we need to address. So, mga Pilipino dapat wais tayo.
Siguro paalala niyo lang po sa ating mga taong bayan yung inyong experience. Kasi kayo nga po isang living survivor ng lung disease. So, siguro pa-note na lang po, pa-kwento na lang po. Siguro may kling kwento or may kling payo sa ating mga kababayan. Paano nila alagaan ang kanilang mga
Unang-una, dapat alam natin ang makakasama o makakabuti sa ating katawan. Dapat ang primary concern natin ay ang kalusugan. Napakahirap kung binababayaan natin ito because of our lifestyle. Kagaya ng paninigarilyo, pag-inom, at ngayon, pati yung kain ng mantika, yung mga maalat, at yung mga matamis masyado. And those are the lifestyle na kailangan baguhin natin. We should be aware sa mga ginagawa natin sa ating katawan. Dahil kung ano ang pinapasok natin sa ating katawan, yun ang magiging resulta. Kahit na anong sobra, bawal. Hindi naman natin sinabing totally tigilan yung mga pagkain ng mga ganon ano. Pero kahit na anong sobra ay bawal.